Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, well, let's take a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, ARM, Micron, and Intel. As for SMCI, I did a video in the morning. Check that out on my channel, and there may be another video on SMCI coming out later today. We'll see, but there will be another update on SMCI I would like to do today because tomorrow is the deadline on SMCI, a very important one. We'll take a look at the price action again. Anyways, the video from the morning is very valid and will stay valid for this whole week and well, for the whole price action, right? So anyways, let's take a look at in this video, starting off with Tesla. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. All right. So Tesla today continuing lower. As I said, we'll test this level, the next level of 326. We did that test today. Yes, some rebound came along the ways, but however, overall structure on Tesla is still bearish, still negative. Nothing has really changed at this point. We technically, if we lose 326 tomorrow, well, we just gonna flush more and gonna come down. So $270 target is what I'm watching down there. That's what I have been talking about it. And also on the lower time frame, like hourly interval, multi-day, move that Tesla has been doing. As I said to you guys over the weekend, that any rebound on Tesla until 348 will just be a rebound, and that was a rebound that is sold off, still continuing lower. So Tesla still remains negative. Intraday, if we want to see it bullish or give us some strength to the uptrend, well, right now likelihood are very low, but we would need to see it start to get above. Well, first of all, the level above that is 334, but that will be near term some rebound possibility. But then 341 and above is only where we will start a switch again on the uptrend side. Otherwise, no. And as I said, if we lose $326 level, just keep an eye on the levels below. It can open up the doors to 309, and yeah, we may make our way down to 275. As I said, only other possibility for an intraday uptrend would be as if we start to get above 334, find a bounce or either at 326 and break above 341 is where some continuous multi-day strength will start to form, at least from where the price action is right now. Otherwise, no, overall things are bearish and we are just continuing lower. We can take a look at the weekly interval as well. And as you know, if you have been seeing my videos, we are bearish. This is the fourth week we are in the bearish structure on Tesla and we are bearish. All right. So yeah, just continuing lower. Rebounds are being sold off. Why so? Because we're in the downtrend, as what I have been saying. All right, that's Tesla. Let's take a look at Nvidia now. Nvidia, what a sell-off. Well, okay, so a couple of things here. We had a rebound as well. All right, it's not very apparent on the daily interval. So let's start off at the hourly interval. Okay, so there was a good rebound as well today, but let's talk about the price action first. So multi-day, unfortunately, it couldn't get above that blue box, the one that I mentioned, that if we can get above this area, the top line being 137 and 42 cents, above this area we stabilize, we close a candle, it can turn in an uptrend continuation. All right, that will be a beginning on the multi-day or intraday start of a little bit of an uptrend. That's why I gave you this zone. Now we couldn't do that. We continued lower, lost the level below, came like significant level, retested it, sold off again. That's why these significant levels are so important. Marked by my tools automatically for you. Check out the details in the description of this video if you are interested in these tools, and also 50 plus stocks coverage details are in the description of this video. Now Nvidia continues to stay on the multi-day in the negative structure. Now I mentioned over the weekend that overall pullback, right, as if we don't form in an uptrend and we lose a level below and we reject there and come down and lose like 133 and come down around 132, intraday weakness will continue, multi-day weakness will continue. This would be the zone if this, well, okay, so 132 and 133 did hold for the rebound. But what we want to see, that's why you can see that good rebound that came there. But what we want to see after a rebound is a hold and a break of the level above and continuation. It's important to confirm that full-on things have been set up and built up in the rebound back again to the upside intraday as well. But then Nvidia rejected it, thus didn't give the full confirmation, and that's why we are seeing a rejection and also significant level as I just pointed you to, and continues to form lower highs, lower lows. And precisely at those levels that my tools mark, we have a reaction of the price. Well, so likelihood right now, as if overall we are still fine, well, it's getting at the last line of defense though for that. This is the zone, pretty much. A multi-day, we are already going down. If 200 days moving average has to become a play for us, we'll have to see lower time frames show us that confirmation. And what would be that confirmation? Let's get back to the hourly interval. Yes, we have to switch back and forth multiple intervals because it's all about precision analysis. At this point though, Nvidia, unless it's not getting above 133 and 82 cents, multi-day weakness is taking more precedence. We'll have to see a level around that 200 days moving average show us some uptrend intraday. Right now, I'm not seeing any of that that uptrend form. Right now, I'm seeing lower highs, lower lows, and unfortunately, multi-day or intraday weakness can continue as if either if we stay below 132 and 7 cents or also even below 133 and 79 cents. Only above this, if we don't break further below, only above this 133 and 85 cents, I see some strength. If we, again, we don't, only in the case if we don't break further below. If we break further below, well, as I said, 127 is the last line of defense in this case on the overall structure with 200 days moving average on Nvidia. All right, and just to give you a sense of a rebound on the 5 minutes, you can see we had not a bad rebound, guys. It was a good rebound on Nvidia there. That you can see, yeah, it's not a bad rebound. I'll give it that, but it's just a rebound. Okay, so and you can see that it just collapsed again. All right, so that's Nvidia. Let's take a look at AMD. AMD also was rebounding in the mid-afternoon, I should say, and unfortunately it stays below that blue box 112 area. We just continuing lower. It's just in the downtrend, guys, and there is yeah, on hourly interval is a classic downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. Yep, no, nothing has really changed on this, guys. Nothing has changed. Lower highs, lower lows, couldn't get above the blue box. That was an important part. Now we continued lower, rebounding, selling off. Tomorrow, well, we are in the downtrend. Any good strength for at least rebounds would only develop on this above 109 and 84 cents without breaking further below. If we can get above that, then only. Otherwise, no, it's just in the downtrend still overall. So yeah, looking not good, right? Yeah. Anyways, ARM. So ARM, as I said, no surprise, guys. It's just been in the downtrend, still collapsing, still going down. Nothing as for any uptrend, nothing. And even on intraday, if we have to see some intraday strength without breaking further below, well, we'll have to get up a 144 and 93 cents area. Otherwise, we'll just stay in this bearish structure, which we are still in and continuing in the downward structure. Micron, oh, this thing is all over the place, guys. That's why I don't like Micron. You know that, right? So anyways, it's okay. On the overall structure, definitely, you know, we losing 101 and 83 cents is just, you know, deeper continuation to the downside, and intraday is what we'll just take a look at on this and from the hourly perspective. This thing is better traded on the hourly perspective. Still remains in the downtrend, not able to gain any significant level above, lower highs, lower lows, crashing lower. At this point, any level above significant level like 96.62 cents is a resistance zone. Even the level like 97.83 cents is just a resistance zone. In other words, it's not going to turn in an uptrend as long as we are below that. All right, so that's your Micron. Intel. So Intel is an interesting one. And this is because it's right at that area where it lost it. It did close a little bit in the rebound phase, but it lost that 24 and 60 cents, pretty much the last line of defense for me. Now, what does it mean? Well, it means that we have weakness. Weakness, not just a near-term pullback weakness, but we do have, you know, a little bit more slowing down. Also, you know, overall market sold off. A good uptrend on this will be only above 24.60 cents to 24.99 cents. If it can get above this zone, intraday, this is intraday play, things will look good again. Otherwise, no, we will below this zone still remain negative and weakness may continue. 200 hours moving average, you can watch below that. So there's definitely weakness back on this thing, and strength will not come back on this again unless we get above that $25 area, that blue box, intraday blue box, that multi-day blue box that I just drew you on the hourly interval. So that would be that. All right, that's all I had for you guys in this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, check out the details if you're interested in all other stuff as well. Trading tools and 50+ stocks coverage details are in the description of this video. All right, see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.